morning, everyone. Welcome to today's video. It is March 26th.
Yes.
Ooh, I was right. So today I'm actually going to be filming kind of like a vlog style because we are going dirt bike riding. This is the first time I've ever went. I'm here with my boyfriend, Caiden,
How's
in the
it
last
going?
video. So we're super excited. We had to go pick up a part for my dirt bike that I'm going to be riding because it was a little broken. There was a little leak. So we're on our way home right now just to get all ready, and then we're gonna head over to his dad's house who has the dirt bikes, and I'll update you guys soon. Alrighty everyone, so we're getting all ready. This is gonna be my bike to ride, and this is gonna be Caiden's. We're just getting them strapped up now, so. Alrighty everyone, so we just arrived at the track. It's a little noisy, I'm sorry. But we're here, we're just trying to find where to go and get set up. At the track for
We got here on 2 hours?
2 hours right now. I think I'm doing pretty good considering it's my first time. Very nerve-wracking though. I'm sorry if I'm very shaky. I'm just very nerved. So we're gonna have a little snack break and just chill out and hopefully get back out there. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but This is me all geared up. I have a mohawk. Woo! I'm also dying of heat in here. Alrighty everyone, so we are packing up. It's 5 o'clock, so we've been here for about 5 hours. I'm definitely sunburned, but I think we had a really good run. We got some good footage, so hope you guys enjoy it. And I don't know what we're doing. I'm getting hungry. I don't know about him, but we'll see what happens. We're officially packed up and ready to head home. Well, head to drop these off, so it's getting windy here, but yeah. We're in the car, bikes are clean, put away, equipment's put away, trailer and van is put away, so I just have the worst burn of my entire life. So that's the separation between my glove and my sleeve to my shirt. If you can't tell, it's a little square. It looks awful. I'm a little burnt right now, but not too bad. So we are waiting for our barbecue. We got barbecue for dinner. This is definitely dinner. So we're just waiting outside for our order to be done, and then we're gonna go inside and pick it up and go home and eat lots and lots of food that we don't need. He's very tired and has a headache right now, so he's just resting while we wait. But hopefully it should be done in about 10 minutes, and then we'll finally be able to eat and then clean ourselves, because he needs a shower very badly. He has lines, I don't know if you can tell, but those are lines of dirt on his face. And it's all over his nose too. You can't tell on me, but I feel a little grimy, so. Bag secured. So we have the food. So we have a pound of pulled pork. We have 4 buns for like sandwiches, mashed potatoes, gravy, mac and cheese. We have 2 different sauces. I think this is the original and this is the sweet, but I'm not for sure. So we are about to die.